talagang sasabog ang Maynila. Sa baho, sa eyesore, at higit sa lahat, panganib na dulot ng basura sa kalusugan ng ating mamamayan. The two new contractors of our garbage hauling in the city terminated their operation starting today. For the past so many weeks, we've been receiving a lot of complaints and requests from the people of Manila to confront the garbage situation of the city. Minabuti ko pong manahimik muna, kolektahin muna yung mga reklamo ng taong bayan dahil wala pa naman po kung kapasidad to act on the matter. Declare and request the City Council tomorrow, first session day, declare the state of emergency, health emergency of the entire city of Manila.